Apple has just released the second beta version of iOS and iPadOS 18.4, and it's packed with exciting updates for developers. This new iteration builds upon the foundation laid by its predecessor, introducing a variety of enhancements and bug fixes. From refined APIs to resolved issues, this beta release promises a more stable and feature-rich development experience. This update is a clear indication of Apple's commitment to providing developers with the tools they need to create cutting-edge applications. It's a testament to their dedication to refining and improving their operating systems, ensuring that both developers and end users can enjoy a seamless and innovative mobile experience. With each beta release, Apple takes a step closer to finalizing the next iteration of its mobile operating systems. iOS and iPadOS 18.4 Beta 2 is a significant milestone in this journey, offering a glimpse into the future of app development on Apple platforms. Let's delve into the specifics of what this latest beta update has in store for developers. One of the standout features of iOS and iPadOS 18.4 Beta 2 is the significant enhancement to Ad Attribution Kit. This framework, crucial for measuring the effectiveness of advertising campaigns, now boasts support for overlapping conversions. This means that developers can now track multiple simultaneous re-engagement conversions, providing a more granular understanding of user behavior. Furthermore, the update introduces an improved testing environment for Ad Attribution Kit. Developers can now directly test postbacks within iOS settings, developer ad attribution testing, eliminating the need for a separate publisher app. This streamlined workflow promises to save developers valuable time and resources. These enhancements to Ad Attribution Kit are a boon for developers who rely on accurate and detailed insights into their advertising campaigns. The ability to track overlapping conversions provides a more nuanced understanding of user engagement, allowing for better optimization of ad spend. The simplified testing process further enhances the developer experience, making it easier than ever to ensure that attribution is correctly implemented and functioning as expected. iOS and iPadOS 18.4 Beta 2 introduces substantial changes to StoreKit, Apple's framework for in-app purchases. The most significant addition is the support for Advanced Commerce API in-app purchases. This new API empowers developers with greater flexibility and control over their in-app offerings, leading to a more seamless and user-friendly purchase experience. The update also introduces a new method that allows developers to manage the redemption of introductory offers. This method requires server-side payload signing, adding an extra layer of security to the process. Several properties have been added to relevant StoreKit classes, and these additions provide developers with more comprehensive information about transactions, enabling them to better track and manage in-app purchases. The latest beta also sees the deprecation of the method. Developers are encouraged to use instead, especially when dealing with family-shared subscriptions. Beyond introducing new features, iOS and iPadOS 18.4 Beta 2 focuses on refining the overall user experience by addressing several bugs present in previous versions. For instance, a bug causing flickering and collapsing while scrolling within the notifications interface has been squashed. This fix ensures a smoother and less disruptive user experience. Swift UI, Apple's declarative UI framework, has also received some attention in this beta release. A bug that prevented from correctly overriding button tints in dialogues and alerts has been addressed. Additionally, the behavior for toolbar items has been corrected, ensuring more predictable and consistent UI behavior. These bug fixes, though seemingly minor, contribute significantly to the overall stability and reliability of the operating system. Section 5 Swift UI Enhancements, refining the developer toolkit. iOS and iPadOS 18.4 Beta 2 brings further refinements to Swift UI, enhancing its capabilities and addressing previous inconsistencies. Notably, environment invalidation has been improved for both and. This enhancement ensures that views are updated correctly when the environment changes, leading to a more robust and reliable UI. Another notable improvement is the relaxed requirement for closures. This change simplifies the process of working with preferences in Swift UI, allowing developers to write more concise and efficient code. These enhancements, though seemingly minor, demonstrate Apple's commitment to continually refining and improving SwiftUI. By addressing edge cases and streamlining existing functionalities, Apple empowers developers to build even more sophisticated and responsive user interfaces. This ongoing development of SwiftUI underscores its importance in Apple's vision for the future of app development. Section 6: Persistent Issues Navigating Known Problems in Beta 2. While iOS and iPadOS 18.4 Beta 2 brings a host of improvements, it's not without its share of known issues. Developers are encouraged to be aware of these issues and, where possible, implement the suggested workarounds. One such issue relates to Apple Intelligence, which may require a device restart after an OS restoration to function correctly. Additionally, non-English language support for Siri within Apple Intelligence requires users to enable Talk and Type to Siri or a Talk to Siri option. Another known issue affects the UI Writing Tools coordinator. Several delegate methods for multiple container support are unavailable, and the asynchronous completion block is unsupported. While these issues persist, the release notes provide detailed workarounds to mitigate their impact on development workflows. Section 7: Embracing the Future. The impact of iOS and iPadOS 18.4 Beta 2. iOS and iPadOS 18.4 Beta 2 is more than just an incremental update. It's a glimpse into the future of Apple's mobile platforms. The enhancements to Ad Attribution Kit and Store Kit signal Apple's commitment to providing developers with powerful tools to monetize and understand their apps. The continuous refinement of SwiftUI, coupled with the resolution of long-standing bugs, showcases Apple's dedication to creating a robust and developer-friendly ecosystem. By addressing developer needs and refining existing functionalities, Apple paves the way for a new generation of innovative and engaging applications. The updates present in this beta release are a testament to Apple's commitment to pushing the boundaries of mobile computing. Section 8: A Call to Action exploring the potential of Beta 2 iOS and iPadOS. 18.4 Beta 2 presents developers with a unique opportunity to explore the latest advancements in Apple's mobile operating systems. By diving into the new features, testing their apps against the updated frameworks, and providing valuable feedback to Apple, developers can play a crucial role in shaping the future of iOS and iPadOS. This is a call to action for developers to embrace the beta, experiment with the new tools at their disposal, and help Apple create the most stable and feature-rich mobile operating system yet. The insights gathered during this beta cycle will be invaluable in ensuring that the final release of iOS and iPadOS 18.4 meets the needs of both developers and end users alike. Section 9: Conclusion: iOS and iPadOS 18.4 Beta 2, a stepping stone to innovation. iOS and iPadOS 18.4 Beta 2 is a testament to Apple's unwavering commitment to empowering developers and delivering exceptional user experiences. The updates focus on refining existing frameworks, introducing powerful new features, and addressing known issues paves the way for a more stable, versatile, and developer-friendly mobile ecosystem. As Apple continues to refine and enhance its mobile platforms, developers are presented with an exciting opportunity to push the boundaries of what's possible in mobile computing. By embracing the new tools and APIs available in iOS and iPadOS 18.4 Beta 2, developers can create innovative applications that redefine the mobile landscape. The future of iOS and iPadOS is bright, and iOS and iPadOS 18.4 Beta 2 stands as a significant stepping stone on the path to achieving that vision.